Hello my dear students, welcome back to my channel once again, and I'm back with a new video where we are going to do chapter 8, and from there we are going to do verbs which are ending with TIR and the back exercises of this particular chapter. So before we start the class, I would say please do send me your work as soon as we are finished with chapter 8. You are supposed to give me chapter 7 and 8's back exercises, and if you feel like any problem, any query you are having, you're free to call me, or you can just text me to get your all queries sorted out. So let's start the class, and do attend your live classes, because I'm finishing all the syllabus through the live classes also. So if you're not there, then it could be a trouble for you. So let's start the class. So we are going to do the verb all the verbs which are ending with TIR. Suppose the verb is partir. Partir means to leave. To leave, right? So all the verbs which are ending with TIR, how we are going to conjugate them? So first write all the subjects, right? Now write the remaining part in front of all the subjects. PAR, PAR, PAR. Right? So what will be the suffixes? S, S, T, then TONS, TEZ, then TENT. So what are the suffixes? First you are going to cut TIR. Then put suffixes, write the remaining part in front of all the subjects, then put suffixes like S, with JS, with TUS, with ILL, T, with NU, TONS, with WU, TEZ, then ILL plural will take TENT. So likewise all the TIR verbs which are ending with TIR, they are going to be conjugated like this. Suppose the verb is sortir, means to go out, or sentir means to smell, or you can say mentir means to lie, right? All these verbs are going to be conjugated like this. So I'm skipping this vocab part because most of the verbs except few we have already done when we were doing the comprehension passage and 2-3 pages of these kind of vocab. So I'm not going to repeat it today. Straight away I'm going for the question answers, the back exercises. So let's see what they are. Question 1 is remplissez les blancs avec les articles contractés du ou de la, de l'apostrophe, des ou de de or the apostrophe, right? So you are knowing all the contracted articles. I don't think I need to explain once again. So first A part is c'est le chapeau / garçon. So they have given one example also, c'est le stylo / professeur, c'est le stylo du professeur. Because professor is masculine, so we are using du. If anything is feminine, then de la, starting with the vowel, then the l'apostrophe. If it is plural, then they. Few exceptions are there where we are using de only. So first is c'est le chapeau / garçon. This is the cap of, or the hat of, garçon, of the boy. So boy is masculine, so that is why we are using du. First answer would be du. As you are knowing, de means either of, from, or about. So this is for off. This is the cap of the garçon, of the boy. So du. And then ce sont les bonbons / enfants. Zonfo means kids. They have given plural. So these are the candies of the kids. So DES as its plural. Then La Sœur / Henri est belle. The sister of Henri is beautiful. So as you know, the name of a person always takes DE, because we cannot say of the Henri or Henry. So that will take DE. All the names of people, of city, or if it is having any adjective, then we use only DE. Then j'ai la clé / ma voiture. Again we have possessive adjective, so it will take DE only. I have the key of my car. We cannot say I have the key of my car. So DE only. I have the key of my car. Then ce sont les chaises / école. These are the chairs of the school. These are the chairs of this school. Then DEL' as école means school is starting with a vowel. Then la fille montre les photos / son voyage. The girl is showing the photographs of her journey. So of her journey, so we cannot say of her journey. So DE only. Right? Then Annie porte le pull / tante. Annie is wearing the pullover of the aunt. Then of the aunt means feminine. Right? So we are going to write DELA as aunt is feminine, Dala. Then où est le parapluie / ami? Where is the umbrella of the friend? Of the friend, then DEL', because friend is starting with a vowel. So DEL'. Right? Now come to the question 2. That is again a contracted articles, but this will take a family. Right? A, O, ala, Al', or AUX, masculine, feminine, vowel, or plural. Right? So first one is mes amis vont / église. My friends are going / church. My friends are going to the church. Question 1, question 2 is going to the church. Church is again starting with the vowel église. So A'. Then j'écris une lettre / mes parents. I am writing a letter to my parents. So here my is coming, so it's a possessive adjective, so we are going to write only a. As I told you, before the name of a person or a city, or if it is having any adjective before the noun, so we need to use only a or de, right? Then Sophie parles / professor. Sophie is talking to the professor. Professor is again masculine, so AU. Then we have nous montrons les photos / amis. We are showing the photographs to the friends. So friends are plural, so AUX. Then you have elle va / cinéma avec sa mère. She is going to the cinema with her mother. Right? So here you need to write she is going to the cinema. Cinema is masculine, then AU. Then we have Trisha et Prisha vont / Toulouse. Trisha and Prisha are going to Toulouse. Toulouse is a city in France. So we are going to write only a, as it's again the name of a city, which takes only the preposition. Then les jeunes vont slash combine. The young children are going to the village. So village is feminine, à la campagne. Right? Then you have vous logez slash l'hôtel. You are lodging to the hotel. Hotel is already having L apostrophe, so you are going to write only the preposition a. Right? So we have done question 1 and 2 here from chapter 8. So following questions we are going to write, we are going to do in the upcoming live class or the video. So I wish you best of luck for your exams, and hope you are going to send me your 5-mark assignments very soon. And if you are feeling anything that you want to ask, you are completely free to call me, or you can just text me. And don't panic, work hard, get good marks, and come back to school once again. Bye.